Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine. I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. This is the final look, so if you like how it came out, continue watching. I'll show you what products, what tools I used. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Curls are looking nice and bouncy. It is going to be a voiceover, and I will have all the products in the description box. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching and you'll see how I got this look. Starting out, my hair is freshly washed and the products I use in the shower are from the brand Icy X. Also, I like to detangle my hair in the shower so it's easier to work with. Next, I am parting my hair in the direction I want for the day, and I decided I wanted a middle part. After that, I section my hair so that the products are getting evenly distributed in my curls. I like to have my hair wet and untangled, so I added more water and brushed it before adding my products. These are the products and tools that I use today, which are my all-time favorite. The first product I am using is the Garnier Fructis hair mask with papaya. With this product, I like to rake it in my hair so all the curls are soaking in the product. Also, to make sure my curls are extra bouncy, I like to use my Demon brush to brush out the product in my curl. The next product I'm using is from my Mielle Organics, which has a variety of different products for natural hair, and it has a pomegranate honey scent. Today, I'm using their leave-in conditioner, which is a travel size packet. When putting this product in my hair, I like to add it to the bottom and scrunch it. And then I'm going to clip my hair and do the exact same thing to the other side. Once I did both sides, I like to make sure the products are evenly distributed in my hair. After that, I get my blow dryer and diffuser and diffuse my hair in sections. When diffusing, I like to start at the bottom and scrunch it to the top. When diffusing my hair, I like to only dry about 50% of my hair and air dry the other 50%. Within an hour, my hair got 100% dry, and what I like to do once it is dry is add my favorite hair oil, the main choice, which helps with extra shine and growth. So what I do is add the oil to my palm and pick at the curls that don't have a lot of moisture, and then add it to the bottom of my hair, which is where it's most dry. I then do the same thing to the other side. After that, I get my wide tooth comb to add more volume to my hair to get it nice and big. Once I get my hair to the volume that I like, I'll move on to the last step, which is my edges. Doing my edges is my favorite thing to do. I like to add clips to my hair so that I can see clearly when doing my edges. The edge control that I'm using is the Edge Fixer Glue Saweetie collab with Kiss Colors. The scent I got for the edge control is Sweet Peach, which smells amazing. She also has other different fruity scents. When doing my edges, I like to do swoops, and I did 2 swoops on both sides. And that is it for my curly hair tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my blog called The Naturalist, which will also be in the description box. I hope you enjoy. Bye.